Guys, right here I have this hidden outlet station right behind my couch. Now, check this out, guys. My couch is super low, but I have an adjustable hidden storage right behind it. So this is gonna be in rustic brown. I actually have all of these different pockets right here on the side. But what's important about this to know is this holds 100 pounds. So you can put decor up here, you can put your phone, all sorts of stuff, a dock, everything. On the top here, we're gonna have two different sections over here and over here whenever you get the 2-pack. By the way, you can get this in just one section or two. But over here, we have two AC outlets. We have one USB and two Type-C ports. Over here is gonna be exactly the same thing. So I have a ton of charging capability. And again, I have these nice pockets over here with this nice fabric, and there's gonna be 4 pockets. You could put a remote there, maybe roll up a magazine, or just put a couple charging cables just in case. So if somebody comes over your house and wants to charge, you could have some cables in here stashed, ready to go, and you won't even see it. Now guys, you're probably wondering, how did I get this to line up perfectly to be flush with my couch? Well, there's actually an adjustability on this that goes from 25 inches in height all the way to 33, almost 34 inches. Now I'm gonna pull this out so you can see. As I pull out the couch, you can see these wires are just hidden behind, you can't even see it, but we have these little pins, easy to adjust. We also have anti-tip kits right here on the bottom that you can adjust as well. Nice sturdy frame. And by the way, guys, this takes about 15-20 minutes to install, super easy. But as I slide this couch, it is like custom made, tailored for my setup. Now this thing is absolutely awesome. I sit on this couch all the time. I can charge my laptop, my phone. If I have a drink or a coffee, I can set it on top, no problem. You can put flowers up here, magazines, decor, have it blend in. But this thing is absolutely amazing. Again, you can just get half of this, or you can get the double like I did for the whole couch. Absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed with this. My wife loves this as well, and I use it all the time. It's super practical, and especially because you don't have to go behind the couch and hit an outlet in the back and kind of bend your cable and everything. It's all docked, looks sleek, looks modern. I absolutely love this thing, and I highly recommend it. Go check it out, add it to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.